We're here. We will choose a red wine. Whoops. Too much to choose from. Dia has chosen something for Christmas. Okay, look at that. It's Christmas time here, yeah. And
The countries of the wine we have.
yeah, we have
Just
here.
tell them this wine.
It's
from different United countries.
so many choices, but we choose something that is ready.
Well, now we are heading to Superstore to get some live lobsters. But this winter time is the season. Fresh king crabs and Canadian big crab, which is famous all over the world. And lobsters, shrimps, clams, shells, caviar, sturgeon.
Too many. Sturgeon.
Yeah, these are called as seasonal fish, like lobsters and other stuff.
Okay, guys, we changed our route. Instead of going to buy a lobster, we will order something. We will see if we can order from Red Lobster, because they cook it good. They have a combo. So we don't have to cook. We just have to order. We are heading to this Red Lobster.
The famous Red Lobster restaurant.
That is the one. The moon is there. Oh, that is the Red Lobster. I hope we can order, because sometimes they are out of stock of lobster. I hope we can get one. If not, then we will be going to the store where we can buy one. This is the Red Lobster. There. Hand sanitizer. Huh? Thank you, fixed video.
Yes, we are.
This is the place. It's a big place. Celia is going to take the order.
It's gonna be about an hour later.
Celia is studying the menu. This one. Red Lobster. He's studying the menu. What to see. I know what to order. The ultimate one. The ultimate lovers. Guys, we will order this one. The Lobster Lover's Dream and the Ultimate Feast. That's it. And that would be good. Guys, the two less lonely people are here waiting for 1 hour for our order. But that's okay, because we have tried dining here and it was so good. And you can see too many orders, you see? So many orders, and too many are already going out.
I think there are more orders than customers inside.
Yeah. So today,
Delivery fees.
no, tonight will be the Christmas Eve. So people will
Tonight
just-
gonna be a good night.
So tonight is the Christmas Eve. So it will be Christmas Eve. We are ordering. Anyway, we have
Good order.
carrying lots of orders outside. How many times already? And not too much in the restaurant, but this one is really big store, big restaurant. And now we're waiting. I don't have to cook. I only have to eat, and it's really good. is this here? At this guy, while waiting for our order, he got this one. What is that?
It's berry mango corday. It's a cocktail.
Oh, okay. There's a cock. There's a cock. He said it's a cocktail, but I don't see a cock and a tail. There's no cock and a tail. Look at this.
It's a tropical cocktail.
There's the strawberry lining and the glass.
It's berry mango.
Okay. Let you sleepy already. I want to lie down here. Too much orders before us. And I'm sleepy. Our order is here. Well guys, we already have our order. I feel so hungry. I want to attack. But it takes us like more than almost 2 hours maybe to wait.
Yes.
Too many orders for today.
It was 5:30. Now it is about 90 minutes.
Anyway, the lobster is here.
It's about
And
90 minutes.
this lobster.
Big lobster.
Guys, this is what we order from Red Lobster. And this one. We ordered Ultimate Feast and Lover's, I don't know, Lover's Dream. Okay.